District Institute of Education and Training died IMPHAL West ka SAMAGRA SHIKSHA Secondary ka KHUTSAMNARAGA tha asigi taradagi HOUDUNA face KHAIDOKLAGA CHATHARAKPA one-day capacity building program for teachers of PRADHAN Mantri Schools for Rising India PM SHRI of IMPHAL West ki THOURAM NGARANG DM University campus ta LEIBA died IMPHAL West ta LOISHINKHRE THOURAM aduda died IMPHAL West ki lecturer A SHARMILA na 21st Century Life Skills NG assessment through holistic progress card. W IBEMNUNGSHI introduction national curriculum framework school education AMADI and RITURANI pedagogy approach as per NEP 2020 Haiba Hiramda resource person Shing Oina Ngangkhre. THOURAM aduga mari lenana died IMPHAL West ki principal su oiriba program coordinator TORANGBAM Bishwalatana Hai India da lairiba mahiroi sing matamga chunaraba quality leiba mahai masing tamba fanghanabagi pandamda kumja lising ani kunithoi da prime minister na PM SHRI scheme audokhibani scheme asigi makhada IMPHAL West ki oina primary thak dagi secondary thak fawbagi oja jahunga hongfu mari training pinaba ayaba pirakhibani oja jahunga hongfu mari sing ase group ahum thongna khaidoklaga nongmagi oina training mapung fana pikre training asida matamga chunaraba skills sing holistic progress card ke national curriculum framework for school education amade national education policy 2020 ki matangda oja singda mamutana khanghankhre oja singda piriba training asina mahiroi singda soidana kana piragani haiba ki thajabat lei haina mahakna makha takhe
national curriculum framework for school education ki matangda amasung 21st century life skills pedagogy approach as per NEP 2020 national education policy ki matangda and assessment through holistic progress card ki matangda so jasing sina masa khaina amasung fazana wajasing se pi de haya kanda oina sidagi haidiba knowledge singsana moigi masa ki school da halakanda fazana angang singdu da takpiruraga high quality education porakna bagi damakta masigi thawum ase pangthok sabani